So, there we were, going on month 3 in the cruise with a rebuilt engine that still wouldn't start. We were feeling defeated and hope was dwindling by the day. But with the engine safely back beneath the cabin sole in the freshly painted engine compartment, Chris and I allowed our friends to talk us into a mini vacation to get our minds off the mess. So we packed up the car and headed north to a sweet little seaside village called San Blas. Now, as you may remember, we use Starlink on our boat, which is how we communicate and browse the internet while aboard. However, when we go to town or are traveling via land in new countries, having a reliable and easy way to stay connected helps keep traveling stress-free. That's where Saily comes in. If you haven't heard of it yet, Saily is an eSIM service that keeps you connected no matter where your journey takes you. It's the easiest way to get reliable, affordable mobile data abroad. And trust me, we've tried the alternatives. With just a few taps, you can download a local eSIM, activate it instantly, and stay connected while you're on the move. No need for physical SIM cards or complicated setup. You're not just staying connected, you're staying ahead of the curve. And if you're looking to save money on international roaming fees, Saily makes it simple. No more surprise charges, no more swapping SIM cards at the airport. It's fast, simple, and it's all in your hands. Use code Avocet for 15% off. Saily keeps you connected. It's the modern way to stay online while you live your adventure. All right, back to San Blas. We were excited to visit San Blas, especially because our friends Ethan and Cynthia from SV Ioni had anchored nearby and invited us to celebrate Ethan's birthday. We set out on a river adventure, enticed by the promise of spotting crocodiles, birds, and taking our chances on a rope swing at the end.
We are taking a jungle cruise.
A jungle cruise.
A jungle cruise.
Nailed it.
Cinco de Mayo, we celebrated Mr. E's birthday.
The tour took us through mangrove tunnels, where beneath dangling roots crocodiles lounged, blending in perfectly with their surroundings. Thankfully, our guide's sharp eyes helped us spot them.
Who wants to come with us?
After a few crocodile spottings and high-speed bank turns, we finally reached the source of the water system. La Tovara, meaning Sweetwater, a clear spring pool fenced off from crocodiles, offered a safe spot to swim with freshwater fish.
We just made it to the spot where you can go swimming in San Blas. The water's literally crystal clear, and apparently there's no crocodiles because they have a fence. But we're definitely gonna get in the water and see what it's all about. We're gonna get eaten today?
No way.
No way, sir.
We're behind the fence.
Do you trust that fence?
No, not even slightly.
What's the worst could happen? Right, Cynthia?
That's my motto in life. I don't know if these beer cans are helping me or pulling me down.
After a quick swim and a bite to eat, we boarded the boat to continue on with our adventure. The next stop was a wildlife refuge and crocodile breeding center, home to crocodiles of all ages, chatty parrots, a lynx, a coati, and a very sad-looking jaguar. While the visit raised questions about captivity, it was fascinating to observe these prehistoric creatures up close.
I mean, I've never seen this many wild animals in a very small space. I feel a little bad, to be honest, but...
Our guide shared with us that contrary to belief, the crocodile population is growing due to stricter hunting regulations. Because of this, there are fewer birds, turtles, and other prey animals nearby.
Paquito! 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 I speak bird.
As the sun set, we paused beside a leafless tree, spotting a tiny owl perched atop a spire alongside the fluffiest baby bird. Somehow they'd managed to nest inside the tree, narrower than the mama owl herself. It was the perfect way to end a jungle tour. After a long day on the water, we were starving, so we headed out into town to find some dinner. But waited until after sunset, which we quickly learned is when the pesky insects settle down.
No des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. La última
San Blas is a coastal town rich in history, natural beauty, and cultural significance. One of San Blas's most notable historical figures is Saint Junipero Serra, the Spanish missionary who set sail from this coastal town to establish a series of missions in Alta California during the late 18th century. Ironically, the last mission Serra founded is in Ventura, California, which also happens to be our home port, making this visit to San Blas feel deeply symbolic, as if we were coming full circle. Serra's missions played a pivotal role in the Spanish colonization of California and the spread of Catholicism throughout the region. The Church of Nuestra Señora del Rosario in San Blas, constructed during this era, stands as a historic landmark. It serves as a tangible reminder of San Blas's key role in the exploration and cultural shaping of California and beyond, connecting past and present in profound ways. As San Blas embraces a growing ecotourism sector, it faces challenges in balancing development with the preservation of its natural and cultural heritage. After a few days in San Blas, our vacation came to an end, and soon we were back to boat projects. We didn't plan on making a full video from such a short trip, but there were so many moments worth sharing. Just like the video that's coming to you next on Sailing Avocet. We just got word from Karen that the pump has made it to La Cruz. Today is an exciting day because we are finally getting off the dock.